Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. I hope all of your summer vacations were very good. You all have enjoyed a lot at your homes. Yes? So now, from this week onwards, you will be getting your online classes. So let us get back to our studies. In our previous classes, we were learning about chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is what? Your number system. Okay, and we have done the exercise portion also, but some of the portions were left. Yes, so today we are going to deal with your assessment number B. See, assessment number B, and in assessment number B you will be getting fourth long answer type questions. Yes, open your page number 23 for the same. Okay, when you open page number 23, you will be able to see first two questions. Those were basically theory based part. Yes, and now from the third part, we are going to continue in this video. Okay, so the third question, see, convert the following binary numbers into your equivalent binary numbers. So what you have to do, you have to convert the following decimal numbers. See, decimal numbers you will be getting, and you have to convert it into what? You have to convert it into binary numbers. Okay, we know we are having the decimal base 10 and binary base as 2. Okay, so see the first part. The first part is what? It is your 43. Now it has a base 10 and you have to convert it into binary number of base 2. Okay, so now see 43 we are going to divide it by 2. Okay, unless we are getting 0 as our quotient. So see, every time you are going to divide it by 2. So when 43 divided by 2, you will be getting 21 as a quotient and 1 as a remainder. Okay, again when you divide it by 2, you will be getting 10 as a quotient, 1 remainder. Again divided by 2, 2 5s are 10, so 5 as a quotient, 0 as a remainder. Again 2 2s are 4, 1 as a remainder. Again 2 1s are 2, 0 as a remainder, and at the last 2 zeros are 0 and 1 as a remainder. Now after that what you have to do? You just have to make an arrow. Okay, from the bottom till top you are going to write down these numbers, these 1-0 sequences. Okay, so firstly this 1 will come, then this 0 will come, then again 1, then again 0, then 2 times 1. Okay, so this is the binary representation of your this decimal number. Okay, now see the second part. The second part is your 64 with a base 10 and you have to convert it into binary equivalent. Okay, again divide the 64 by 2 unless you will be getting 0 as your quotient. Okay, so 2, 32 and 0 as a remainder. Again 32 when divided by 2 you will be getting 16 as a quotient, 0 remainder. Again divided by 2 you will be getting 8 as a quotient, 0 remainder. Again divided by 2 you will be getting 4 as a quotient and 0 as a remainder. Again divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 0 remainder. Again 2 1s are 2 and 0 remainder, and at the last 2 0 and 1. Okay, we are going to stop when we are getting this 0 as our quotient. Now again make an arrow. Start writing from the bottom till top. Okay, so firstly 1 will come, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times we are going to write down zeros over here. Okay, so I hope questions is clear. Now see the third part. C part. We are having 100 with a base 10. You have to convert it into binary with a base 2. Okay, so now again 100 divided by 2 again and again. So when divided by 2 you will be getting 50 as a quotient, 0 remainder. Again 50 divided by 2 you will be getting 25 as a quotient, 0 remainder. 25 divided by 2, 12 as a quotient, 1 as a remainder. Again 12 divided by 2, 6 as a quotient, 0 remainder. Again 2 3s are 6 and 0. 2 1s are 2 and 1 remainder. Again at the last 0 and 1. Okay, so we are going to stop over here. Now again we are going to make an arrow. See, 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is a binary representation of 100. Now see the D part. D part says 95 you have to convert into binary number. Okay, so 95, divide this 95 by 2 every time. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 1 as a remainder. Okay, again 2, so 23 you will be getting questioned, 1 as a remainder, again 2 you will be getting 11 as a quotient, 1 as a remainder, again 2 5s are 10, 1 as a remainder, again 2 2s are 4, 1 as a remainder, 2 1s are 2, again 0 as a remainder, and at the last 2 0 and 1 as a remainder. Now we are going to make an arrow and write down 1 0 first and 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 1, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is your binary representation of 95. Okay, now over here only I'm going to explain you the E part. See, the E part you are having 82. Okay, 82 with a base 10, you have to convert it into appropriately binary number. Due to the shortage of space, I'm going to explain you over here, but in your copy, you are going to write down in your next page. Okay, so 82, again divide this 82 with the help of this table. Okay, so 241 you are getting as a quotient and 0 remainder, again 220 as a quotient, 1 remainder, again 210 as a quotient, 0 remainder, again 2 5s are 10, 0 as a remainder, 2 2s are 4, 1 as a remainder, 2 1 0 remainder, and 2 0 1 remainder. Again make an arrow and we will be writing 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the binary number appropriately to your 82. Okay, so E part we have done. Now see the F part. Now this blue line, this signs represents 80, so just it make a dot over there. Yes, then Ritesh, it stores 60, so 60 a dot over there. Now between this 80 and 60 it just simply made a straight line. Okay, रिमेंबर, जब जितना भी आपका डेटा होता है उसका टॉप मोस्ट पर वो आपका एक डॉट रिप्रेजेंट करता है. इट मीन्स सी फॉर दिस सनी, दिस ब्लू line, this top most is 50. It means this Sunny scored 50 marks. Okay, and then this Ritish scored 75 marks. Okay, these are only just points. Now if you combine these 2 points with a line, then it becomes your line chart. गेटिंग द पॉइंट. सो आपका सिर्फ जो टॉप चीज़ होती है, जो आपका टॉप एरिया होता है, उसको ये लाइन में कंबाइन कर देता है. ओके, सो सी अ लाइन चार्ट डिस्प्लेज चेंजिंग ट्रेंड्स इन डेटा एट इक्वल इंटरवल पर आपका ये चेंज दिखाता है डेटा में कितना हुआ. इट मीन्स सी ओवर हियर, यहाँ पर भी आपका इक्वल इंटरवल है, यहाँ पर भी आपका इक्वल इंटरवल है. ओके, सो विथ टाइम इट सेज कि आपका डेटा कितना चेंज हो रहा है. यस, इट प्रेजेंट्स डेटा इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंट लाइन्स वेरिंग एट इक्वल इंटरवल. Okay, so see the difference between, by look you can see the difference column chart as well as by line chart. Okay, now see the third type of chart, that is your pie chart. It is a very popular one. Yes, so see, a pie chart displays data in a comparative manner. This includes size of things that make up the data series to sum up the items. अब ये आपका क्या होता है, सी यहाँ पर आपका एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस नहीं होता है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज ये आपका पूरा डिग्रीज में चलता है. You know the overall degree is what? It is 360 degree. Now this 360 degree is overall divided into certain portions. Yes, now it will say कि आपका ये वाला जो portion है, that blue portion, it represents this area only. ओके, इट मीन्स द साइज ऑफ द थिंग्स, कि ये कितना एरिया कंटेन कर रहा है. जितना ज़्यादा एरिया कंटेन करेगा उस चीज़ का वेटेज उतना ज़्यादा होगा. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वाई वी से ये आपका कंपैरेटिव चीज़ें डिफाइन करता है. ओके, सो वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू द कंपेरिजन बिटवीन 2 और मोर थिंग्स, देन यू प्लीज़ गो फॉर योर पाई चार्ट. ओके, सी द फोर्थ वन, बार चार्ट. नाउ यू कैन सी there are some similarities between your column chart as well as your bar chart. See, the column chart you were having vertical rows, vertical bars you were having. Yes, but in the bar chart you were having these horizontal bars. Yes, now see, the bar chart displays the comparison amongst individual items. Individual items के बीच में ये आपको comparison बताता है. Okay, Now see, it is very confusing between that what kind of chart is being used wherever, but आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पर, आपको by look ही define हो जाएगा कि what kind of chart it is. Okay, and yes, if you saw it in a very depth, in a deeply. Now see the fourth part. The fourth part is what? It is 10101 plus 1101. Okay, write down 10101 plus 1101. Okay, the answer is what? 1 plus 1 going to give you 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is again 1. 1 plus 0 is 0, going to give you 1 on the left hand side. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry on the left hand side. 1 plus 1 again 0 with a carry on the left hand side, and nothing is there, so just copy this one over here. So this is the answer. See the fifth part. The fifth part is 1 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0 you are having, and plus 1 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now write it down. 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, over here 1 is also there. 1, then 1 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, now the addition is going to give you 1 plus 1 is going to give you 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 0 1. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 again 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0. A carry on the left hand side and 1 going to copy it down over here. Okay, see the sixth part. 101101 plus 1111. Okay, write down 101101 plus 1111. Okay, the addition is going to give you 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. Yes, now 1 plus 0 is going to give you 1. 1 plus 1 is going to give you 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry on the left hand side, and at the same time 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry on the left hand side, and 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 copied down over here. So this is the answer for your sixth part. Now the last part, that is your seventh part. See, the question is 1010 plus 101. Okay, write down 1010 plus 101. 0 plus 1 going to give you 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and again 1 directly copied down over here. So this is about your fourth part, addition. Okay, now let us start our fifth part, that is convert the following binary numbers into decimal numbers. Now students, see the fifth question. The fifth question says what? Convert the following binary numbers into your decimal numbers. What you have to do? You have to convert your binary numbers into your decimal numbers. Okay, see the first one now. The first one is what? It is 11001. Now what is the first step? What you have to do? You have to count from the left hand side, that is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 will be divided by 2 to the power multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Okay, this one. Now this one is to be added, and then 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Okay, now comes the 0. So 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, then again 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, then at the last 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay, so firstly आपको क्या करना है? From the left hand side you have to count the digits. From 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, then आपको individually from the right hand side 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4, then plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, and so on till 0 you have to count it out. Okay, now multiply it. 1 into 2 to the power 4 is going to give you 16, then plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 is going to give you 8, then plus 0 multiplied by anything becomes 0, then again it is 0, then 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 is what? It is 1. Okay, so again we are having 1. Now if you do the addition, you will be getting 25 as an answer. Okay, so 11001 with a base 2 is equal to 25. Either you can write down this 25 like this only, or you can write down this 10 as a base. Okay, so this is the answer for your first one. Now see the second one. The second one is 111001. Okay, again you have to follow the same procedure. What? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, over here it is 5. So 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5. Then again this one multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Then again this third one multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Then comes 0. 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, then again 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, then at the last 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay, now solve it out. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5 is going to give you 32, then plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4 is going to give you 16, then over here also it becomes 8. 0 multiplied by anything gives you 0. 0 multiplied by anything again is going to give you 0, and plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 is going to give you 1. Now if you do the addition, then you will be getting 57 as an answer. Okay, so 111001 with a base 2 is equal to 57 with a base 10, and it is the equivalent decimal number of this binary number. Okay, now see the third one. The third one is what? It is 100011. Okay, now again count it out. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 5, then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 4, then again 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3, then again 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 2, then 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, then 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Okay, if you solve it out, then you will be getting 32 plus 0 plus 0, then again plus 0, then 1 into 2 to the power 1 going to give you 2, then at the last 1. And if you add all these things up, then you will be getting 35 as an answer. So 100011 with a base 2 is going to give you 35 as a appropriate decimal number. Okay, now see the fourth one. So the fourth question is 100101. Okay, again count the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4, then plus 0 into 2 to the power 3, then again 1 into 2 to the power 2, then again 0 into 2 to the power 1, then plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, now again solve it out. 1 into 2 to the power 5 going to give you 32. Then again from this you will be getting 0. From this again 0. From this you will be getting 4. From this 0. And from the last one you will be getting 1. Okay, and when you sum it all up, then you will be getting 37 as an answer. Okay, so 100101 with a base 2 is going to give you 37 as in decimal number. Okay, now see the last one. The last one, fifth part. It is 110011. Okay, now again count the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 into 2 to the power 5, then again 1 into 2 to the power 4, then again the 0 into 2 to the power 3, again the 0 into 2 to the power 2, then again this 1 into 2 to the power 1, and last one 1 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, so solve it out. 32 is going to be, you will be getting, and then afterwards 2 to the power 4 is 16, then over here 0, again 0, then 2, then 1, and if you sum it up you will be getting 51 as an answer. Okay, so 110011 with the base 2 is going to give you what? It is going to give you 51 as an decimal number. Okay, so this is all about your fifth question. Now moving forward to our sixth one. Now the sixth question you are having, multiply the following binary numbers. So now you have to multiply those numbers. Okay, firstly let us see the rules. The rules are, if 0 multiplied by 0, then you will be getting 0. If 1 multiplied by 0, you will be getting 0. Again 0 multiplied by 1, you will be getting 0, and if 1 multiplied by 1, you will be getting 1. ओके, यू कैन लर्न इट दिस वे कि अगर आपका एक भी नंबर एक भी साइड जीरो होती है देन एज अ रिजल्टेंट यू विल बी गेटिंग जीरो, एंड वन इफ एंड ओनली इफ आपके दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशन की साइड से नंबर्स वन होते हैं देन ओनली यू विल बी गेटिंग वन. ओके, नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर वन. The question number 1 is 10001 multiplied by 101. Okay, now let us try to write this as we are writing in our mathematics. So see, 10001 multiplied by 101. Okay, now firstly we will multiply this overall number with 1. So 1 into 1 gives you 1, 1 into 0 then 0, 1 into 0 then 0, 1 into 0 0, then last 1 into 1 you will be getting 1. Okay, over here a cross sign, then again 0 multiplied by 1 0, over here also 0 0 0 0. Okay, again 2 cross sign, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, then 0 0 0 1. I hope this thing is clear. Now what you have to do, you have to sum these numbers, you have to find out the sum. Okay, now over here in this row you are having 1 in this column, so 1 you will be getting. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. Then again over here 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and last 1. So this is the solution for your first one. Okay, see the second part. The second one is 1010 multiplied by 11. Okay, now write it down again. 1010 multiplied by 11. Now see, 10 gives you 0, 1 into 1 gives you 1, 1 into 0 gives you 0, and again 1 into 1 gives you 1. Okay, the same thing you are going to get it in the second row. Now add these two. 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and over here is also 1. So this is the solution for your second one. See the third question. The third question is 1111 multiplied by 1001. Okay, so now see, 1111 multiplied by 1001. Okay, so firstly this one gives you 1 into 1 1, then again 1 3 4 times 1. Over here 0 multiplied by 1 0, again over here 0, then over here 0, then over here also 0. Again the same thing, 0 0 0 0, again 1 1 1 1. Okay, then now find out the sum. In this line 1 plus 0 is 1, 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 1 plus 0 1, then again 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 on the left hand side. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and again 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1, and over here also 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Nothing is there, so this 1 will come as it is downwards. Okay, so this is the solution for your third part. Now see the last part, fourth one. The fourth question is 1010101 multiplied by 101. Okay, so you have to solve this one now. Now see, 1010101 multiplied by 101. Okay, firstly multiply this number with 1, so you will be getting 101010 1. If you multiply this number with 0, you will be getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Again, with 1, you will be getting 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now find out the sum. Over here, 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, again with a carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1. Over here 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. Again over here also you will be getting 1 and over here also 1. So this is a solution for your fourth part. Okay. Now see the seventh question. The seventh question is what? Subtract the following binary numbers. Yes, you have to do the subtraction part. But before it, see the rules. What are the rules of subtraction? 0 minus 0 is going to give you 0. Okay. 1 minus 0 is going to give you what? 1. Yes. Now again, 1 minus 1 is going to give you 0. And 0 minus 1 is going to give you 1, and it has to take a borrow from the left hand side as 1. Okay, likewise you are doing in your mathematics. Now what does it mean? It means कि अगर आपके पास यहाँ पर 10 है and you have to subtract 2 from it. So what you are going to do? 0 तो छोटा होता है 2 से, तो यहाँ से आप क्या करते हो, इसको 0 बना देते हो and इसको आप 10 ले लेते हो. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is 8. That is how you are getting 8 as a result. Okay, तो आपने क्या किया, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का नंबर बड़ा था तो आपने वहाँ से एक बोरो ले लिया. ओके, सो नाउ ओवर हेयर ऑल्सो कि आपका बाइनरी नंबर्स का सब्ट्रैक्शन चल रहा है, सो ओनली 0 and 1 वी आर हैविंग. यस, सो आपका सब्ट्रैक्शन में तो 1 दे देगा, बट बोरो यू विल बी गेटिंग एज 1. You will be taking borrow from the left hand side as 1. Okay, now see the question. The first one is 1010 minus 1000. Okay, so write down 1010 minus 1000. You will be getting 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Very simple one. Yes, now see the second part. Second one is 110 minus 101. So 110 minus 101. 0 minus 1. Again, this is the condition. Yes, so you have to take borrow from the left hand side. If you take borrow from here, it becomes 0 and it becomes what? It becomes 1 0. Yes, and since we are talking about binary numbers, so आपका क्या होता है, अगर आप 1 0 को binary number में convert करोगे, then what you will be getting? You will be getting see 1 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 0, and you will be getting what? 2. And if 2 minus 1 you will be getting 1. That is how आपका 0 minus 1 1 आता है and borrow आपका 1 लिया जाता है. ओके, क्यों? यहाँ पर आपका बन तो गया 10, बट इट इज़ अ बाइनरी नंबर. सो आप 1 0 को बाइनरी नंबर में जब कन्वर्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी गेटिंग 2. ओके, और इस 1 को जब आप बाइनरी नंबर में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो यू विल बी गेटिंग 1. सो 2 minus 1 is what? It is 1. Okay, getting? Now 0 minus 0 is 0 again and 1 minus 1 is 0 again. So that is how you are going to get the 0 0 1 as a result. Okay, now see the third part. It is 1 0 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1. Okay, so 1 0 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1. It is a very simple one. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 is again 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, over here 0, and over here also 1. Okay, this is an arrow. So this is the result. See the last one, the fourth part, that is 1 1 1 1 1. 5 times 1 minus 1 1 1. Okay, so 1 1 1 1 1 minus 3 times 1. Now you will be getting what? 1 minus 1 0 0 0, and over here 1 1. Yes, so this is the result. Now 7th question is also over, and now we are moving forward to our 8th question. Now we are on the 8th part. The 8th part is what? Divide the following binary numbers. Okay, you have to perform the division operation. Now we are having the rules, only two rules we are having for division. That is, if 0 divides 1, then you will be getting 0, and if 1 divides 1, you will be getting 1. Only these two rules we have to follow with it. Okay, with these rules, see the first part. 1010 divided by 101. Okay, now let us write it down. 101 and over here 1010. Okay, now see, if you divide 10, if you multiply this 1, then you will be getting this exact number. Yes, so if you multiply it by 1, then you will be getting 101. Okay, now again do the subtraction part. You will be getting 0000. Okay, all the zeros you will be getting. And now what, if you multiply this thing with 0, then you will be getting overall zeros. So this is basically your answer. Okay, now see the second part. The second part is what? 1111, 4 times 1 divided by 0, 1, 1. Okay, now see, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 divides 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times 1. Okay, if we are having 0 on the left hand side, then it is basically useless in our binary numbers. Why it is useless? Because आप काउंट करना यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हो ना. सी 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. तो यहाँ से अगर 0 से 2 to the power 2 की मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो देर विल बी नो इफेक्ट ना. आप कितने भी यहाँ 0 लगा लो तो उसकी वैल्यू तो 0 ही रहेगी. यस, सो बाइनरी में अगर आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 0 है तो इट मीन्स इट इज़ यूजलेस. राइट हैंड साइड का 0 इज मैटर करता है बट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का मैटर नहीं करता. सो ओवर हियर वी जस्ट स्किप दिस 0. नाउ कंसिडर द नंबर एज ओनली 1, 1. नाउ रिमेंबर, आप सिर्फ इसको तभी कर सकते हो जब आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 0 हो. राइट हैंड साइड पर 0 होगा देन प्लीज डोंट अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला ओवर देयर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दिस 1, 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग 1, 1. Yes, by subtracting you will be getting 0, 0. Okay, now again this 1 will come down as 1. Now see, this number is smaller than this number. Now you will be doing this 0. जब आप 0 अप्लाई करते हैं तो आपका एक और डिजिट आपका नीचे आ जाता है. देन एट द सेम टाइम यू विल बी गेटिंग 1 ओवर हियर. नाउ अगेन इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाई 1, 1, यू विल बी कम्प्लीटली, ये नंबर आपका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस एज एन आंसर. Now see the third part. Over here I am going to write down the third part. See 10101 divided by 111. Okay, now see 111 over here and 10101 over here. Okay, so what you have to do, firstly see this number आपका ये छोटा है, ये वाला नंबर आपका छोटा है इस नंबर से. So just simply you multiply it with 0. Okay, so you will be getting 0, 0, 0 over here and no effect on everything. 101 and over here 0 आपका यहाँ पर just नीचे आ जाएगा. Okay, now what you are going to do, you just multiply it with 1. Yes, आपके पास कोई और चॉइस ही नहीं होती है. either you multiply it with 0 or you multiply it with 1. Okay, so अब आप इसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो you will be getting the exact number 111. Yes, now do the subtraction part. जब आप इसको माइनस करेंगे देन तब क्या होगा? सी ओवर हियर, यहाँ पर आपका 0 - 1 है. इन द प्रीवियस सेक्शन ऑल्सो हमने जब किया था तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से बोरो लिया था. यस, सो ओवर हियर आपका यहाँ से बोरो जाएगा, आपका यहाँ पर 0 हो जाएगा एंड यहाँ पर आपका 1 0 आ जाएगा. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आपका क्या होगा देन 1 एज अ रिजल्टेंट. द सेम थिंग विल गो ओवर हियर 1 एंड द सेम थिंग ओवर हियर यू विल बी गेटिंग 1. ओके, सो आपका 1 1 1 इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद आ जाएगा. देन नाउ सी, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 1 देन एग्जैक्टली यू विल बी गेटिंग 1 1 1 एज अ रिजल्ट. Okay, so that is how you are going to get this as an answer, 0 1 1. Now see the fourth part. Over here I am going to write down. The fourth part is 11001 divided by 101. Okay, now see 101 over here, 11001 over here. Now what you have to do, firstly multiply it by 1, then 101. ओके, अब आप इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. देन सब्ट्रैक्ट जब आप इसको करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ पर 0 0 1 यू विल बी गेटिंग. ओके, आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ट्राई कीजिएगा एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग 0 0 1. यहाँ से आप बोरो लेंगे एंड एट द सेम टाइम सब्ट्रैक्शन के सारे रूल्स यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, सो यहाँ पर 0 आपका बॉटम में आ जाएगा then what you will be doing, this number is smaller than this number, then again you want this 1 to come down, then you will be applying 0 over here, तो ये 1 आपका नीचे आ जाएगा, then exactly the number you want is over here. Okay, so यहाँ पर आप इसको 1 से multiply करेंगे, then you will be getting 101 and subtraction will give you nothing. Okay, so this is basically the result of your fourth part. Okay, so my dear students, for your second chapter the exercise portion is completed. Okay, exercise portion we are done with it and you are left with the activity time. Okay, activity time आपका रह गया है assessment C का. In activity time what you have to do, you have to convert 1f3 to the power 16, please see in your book, 1f3 to the power 16 into decimal number, and then this decimal number you have to convert it into binary number with a base 2. ओके, सो आप इसको खुद करेंगे, आप इसको खुद ट्राई करेंगे. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर इनटू डेसिमल नंबर. यस, आप सबसे पहले ये हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग अ बेस 16. यस, इन योर क्वेश्चन यू आर हैविंग सी असेसमेंट नंबर C, यू आर हैविंग व्हाट 1f3 with a base 16. आपका बेस 16 होता है, then it means what, it is basically your hexadecimal number. ओके, जब आपका हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर हो जाता है देन आपको उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. फर्स्टली कन्वर्ट इट इनटू डेसिमल नंबर. ओके, डेसिमल नंबर में जब आप इसको कन्वर्ट कर देंगे देन दिस डेसिमल नंबर यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हाट, बाइनरी नंबर. ओके, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पर आपके दो टाइप के कन्वर्जन हो जाएंगे. फर्स्टली हेक्साडेसिमल इनटू डेसिमल नंबर एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स डेसिमल नंबर इनटू बाइनरी नंबर. Over here, decimal number into binary number. So you try this question on your own. In case you are feeling any difficulty, then let me know, I will give you the answer for the same. Okay, but firstly you try it on your own and I wish ये question आप कर लेंगे because I have already told you about these examples. You have already done these examples. Okay, and with this part we are done with our chapter number 2. Okay, chapter number 2 is basically completed over here. In case you are having any difficulty, then please let me know in the comment section below. And yes, you please try to do these questions on your own and practice these. Okay, these are very important for your exam as well as unit test kind of purpose. Okay, so this is all for your video. Thank you so much and keep learning.